Not only did Red Velvet beat the disbandment allegations, but they're also releasing a full album. They released a teaser poster on October 18th for their upcoming comeback titled What a Chill Kill, with SM changing their social media banners and icons. Seeing the teaser poster and the comeback title, it appears that this album will showcase their iconic velvety concept coupled with a captivating dark fairy tale theme, and we can't wait. The comeback is happening on November 13th, so stay tuned for more updates. Several Boys Planet contestants have already found two groups to debut in. To begin with, Jae-tung will be debuting as a member of One Pact. Jae-tung wasn't able to debut on Zero Base 1 as he ranked 10th in the finale, but as announced by Armada Entertainment on October 18th, Jae-tung will be the fifth and the final member of their group One Pact. The group won't have only Jae as a former Boys Planet contestant, as Yoon Jong-woo, Oh Sung-min, Tag, and Ye-dam will all be debuting with him. They're also planning to release a video of their pre-debut song performance on October 24th. FNC Entertainment is also debuting several Boys Planet contestants in a new group. FNC just announced the debut of a new boy band called Amper and One, which have launched their official social media accounts on October 18th on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Weibo. According to various sources, it's been revealed that the group has 7 members and are preparing to make their debut in November 2023. Notably, FNC confirmed that 3 former Boys Planet contestants, namely Na Camden, Choi Ji-ho, and Chinese-Canadian singer Brian, will be a part of the group. As for the group's name, FNC explained that Ampersand 1 combines the ampersand symbol representing and with the word one symbolizing unity. It signifies the idea that individuals come together to pursue their dreams and become one cohesive unit. We can't wait to see both of these groups debut. Following report after report that certain EXO members would be leaving the company and SM denying every single one of them, a member has officially departed from the agency. On October 18th, it was reported by several media outlets that Dio would be leaving SM and establishing his own agency. According to insiders, he's working on launching his own company, and he's done this in partnership with a well-known managing director who's been with him since the start and with whom he's got an amazing relationship with. They respect each other so much that Dio has thanked his director several times at award shows, and they've had extensive talks about his work as both a singer and an actor. It was said that Dio has had multiple discussions with the company so he can continue promoting with EXO while still handling his solo activities. If you remember, SM said that the members were allowed to establish their own agencies to manage their own endeavors, so this, in addition to SM's silence for a few hours, made fans believe that the rumors had at least a bit of truth to it. And it seems like they were right. On October 18th, a representative from the company verified that Dio's exclusive contract with them will be concluding in early November. Following discussions with him, the company stated that it was determined that he will continue his activities with EXO under SM, while his acting and solo ventures will be managed by a new company founded by one of their former managers. Fans were obviously happy to hear the news, especially since it's a known fact that Dio will be much better at managing himself. Congratulations to Dio. We can't wait to see what he has prepared for us. Speaking of SM, they finally started pretending to care about their artists, but after all that they've been through, it's become hard to believe this. As you might remember, Taeil had a pretty rough motorcycle accident which caused him some injuries and he needed surgery. Although the company said that they were prioritizing his health and that he would be resting until he fully recovered, the truth proved to be otherwise. He appeared in a teaser picture for idea. She said, "Even when we met recently, while we were talking about detailed things, the possibility of the 12 of us performing opened up, and we said that we want to show it soon if fans want it. I also hope that this time will come quicker." While it was devastating to hear about what she had gone through, we're at least sure that she will be continuing a career that's free from the shackles of her former company. So make sure to give Howl a listen and continue to support Chuu. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!